Hello dear students, now today I am explaining introductions to HTML. HTML is a basically used to create web pages. Okay, so basically we want to introduce ourselves in all over the world, so we need to a platform where we explore our things to in front of the world. For that, www or World Wide Web is provide an interface to us where we share our thought. For this purpose, we need a language where we can explain our things. So HTML is a way where we create a web pages and we can upload it into the server, and then these pages will be shown in front of the World Wide Web, and all over the world pupils can see our pages, web pages. So first, when the HTML introduced, previous it's known as SGML, Standard Generalized Markup Languages, which is also high level languages, and basically it is developed by the Department of Defense. Okay, so in after that some features are introduced in HTML, and it converted SGL to HTML. Actually in HTML they are having predefined some tags. Let's we know what is the HTML. The full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. Documents are American Standard Code of Informations Interchange, or a plain text documents that derive the World Wide Web. It means by HTML is a basically languages which is based on the content are made with the help of ASCII code or a plain text. Okay, when we are creating the HTML, we are using the plain text. So what is the HTML? First, HTML is stand in hypertext markup languages. It is not any programming software, okay, not a programming language. It is a general markup languages, and inside it all the programming languages work. So we just create the dynamic web pages. A markup languages is a set of markup tags. HTML uses markup tag to describe web pages. Now, what are HTML? What are HTML? HTML is to describe the web pages. It is having the HTML tag as well as plain text, and HTML documents is also called web pages. Now, the HTML document. HTML document define a different parts of documents. Okay, there are so many tags we are using to define our web page or web documents. So for that, in distance between, it is basically web pages are distance between two pages. First one is header and second one is body part. Just like in MS Word, if we are creating MS Word file, when we save it, in which name we are saving, it is shown as a header of that particular Word document. Same thing in HTML. If we want to define the heading, we use to head tag. Okay, and inside the head tag we only use the title tag, which is used to which is used to define the title of our web pages. Okay, then body tag, whatever we want to show in front of users in our pages. So all these things are done in inside the body tag. So in head portions we are giving the title of the page. Okay, so here only two tags we are using. First one is head tag, opening head tag, and closing head tag. Inside the head tag we are using only the title tag, which is so the title of our web pages. Suppose on here I am given title my first page, so it is show the title my first page in my web document. After that we are using body tag. Okay, opening the body tag and closing the body tag. This tag is defined the web pages browser. For identifying the page is web pages, so we must be enter the above tag inside the HTML. Whatever we are inserted, So browser cannot identify if I am not directly give the head tag. Okay, if I am directly write the head tag, so browser cannot understand which types of file this. So we must be use all the tag inside the inside the HTML opening tag and closing tag. Okay, now next, creating an HTML template. It is a HTML template. Sometime in exams, in board exams, some questions are come. What is the HTML template? So you just write a simple HTML program, just like a HTML tag, then heading tag with the title tag. Inside the title tag, you write inside the head tag. Okay, then after body tag, and then HTML. It is the basic structure of HTML or a template of HTML. Sometimes the in board exam the question is come to write the structure of HTML or write the HTML template. So you must be write this code as a HTML template. Now browser purpose. The purpose of browser of a web browser is read HTML document, okay, and display them as a web pages. The browsers does not display the HTML tag but uses the tag to interpret the content of the page. Okay, so if we are making the HTML file, browser cannot show the all the tags. It is a predefined tag. Browser can only identify this is for HTML tag, and it show whatever work in whatever instructions we are given inside the title tag or inside the body tag. It show only that tag. So we just write the code into the notepad and save it as a first file name, then dot okay, file name. First we are giving the file name, then dot, and here we are giving the extension HTML or dot htm, htm. Okay, so it is the way, and we just change it all types. Okay, in just below the file name one options is also there. You just change it all types file. Other if we are not changing, it convert into the txt file. So it must be necessary you change into the all type. Okay, if we save, again I repeat it, if we save our HTML file, so first we write the code inside the in notepad, then after we just go to the file menu. Okay, in file menu having option save, we just click the save options. On there two options are there. First one is file name. So here I am, suppose I am given first web page. Okay, then dot html और htm, कुछ भी एक चीज लिखेंगे, ठीक है, या तो ये नहीं तो ये. Then after we just change its all type. Here previously written text type, so we just change it to the all type. So our web pages, so our HTML file page are saved as a web pages. Okay, now what are HTML tag? HTML tags keyword surrounded the angle bracket. It must be, remember it, whatever code we are written, it must be close inside the angle bracket. Okay, HTML tag normally come into the pair. Pair it mean by starting tag and ending tag. So first tag in a pair is start tag and second pair is end tag. So start and end tag is also known as opening and closing tags. And one more important thing is that HTML is not case sensitive. If we are written .ht, if we are given the capital P for the paragraph and small p, so it is work as a similar. And suppose in HTML file, if I write the HTML opening tag in capital letter and when close it I write the HTML in a small letter. So the web browsers can understand this is a HTML file and it cannot create any error because the HTML is a not case sensitive. Now understanding the tag. First, HTML is HTML tags are basically divided into two parts. First one is container tag and second one is empty tag. Okay, sometime this question is also come in your exam. How many types of tags in HTML and what is the container tag, what is the empty tag. So you must be learn its definitions. So container tag that include both starting as well as ending tag. So it is called container tag. And empty tag, these tags have only starting name tag, not closing tag, just like HR and BR. HR it means by horizontal ruler and BR matlab break line, and rest of the tags are container tag. Now look at the lab tag. Okay, lab work. It's a general HTML program. Okay, on there we just make the web pages. First HTML opening tag, then closing tag. When you open any tag you must be close it. Then head tag, closing the head tag. Inside the head tag we give only the title tag. Look at here one notable thing. Here I am given title in capital letter and here I am given in a small letter. So HTML can be identify it is a similar. Okay, then body tag. Okay, inside the body whatever work we are doing it's shown in our web pages. Okay, first I am using the heading tag, H1 tag. H1 tag is used to create the heading of any web pages. Basically just like it is a our textbooks, the chapter name is shown in a very big letter. So same thing in web pages we are doing with the help of heading tag. In HTML heading tags are basically 6 types: H1, closing H1, 2, H6, closing H6. Okay, so it is lab work. And then next tag is P tag. It is a paragraph tag, basically used to define a paragraph in our web pages. Okay, inside the web pages I am written the body element contain all the content of the documents as opposed to a angle bracket, opening the angle bracket, then a href head.html, then here word head and closing a tag. In this tag means by we just hyperlink our these files to the head.html file. Okay, with the help of anchor tag, and when we are clicking the head word, so HTML can open head.html file. Okay, then what are attributes? HTML elements can have attributes. Attributes provide additional information about elements. Attributes always specify in the start tag. Attributes come in name value pair. Attribute it mean by any tag. Okay, any tag we are using, just like I am using the body tag. Okay, body tag is simply define the body of our web pages. But if I am using inside the body tag, ओके अगर मान लो मैं बॉडी टैग के अंदर एक एट्रीब्यूट दे रही हूँ, क्या एट्रीब्यूट है? बीजी कलर. ओके, सो इट इज़ अ एट्रीब्यूट्स नेम and then after that I write equal to, and here I am given the value inside the double quotation. Suppose I am given red. Okay, and closing the double quotation and close it. So this means attribute is a additional information of particular tag, and it is always come in name and value pair. So here background, if you want to change the background of our web pages, so there are two types which just change the background. First one is busy color. basically busy color is used to change the background color of our web page into the solid color. Suppose here white color page is shown in your in front of you. If I want to change it's in a red color, so we are using the BG color. So the tag is body, then after BG color equal to, inside the double quotation I write the blue, so our web pages come in blue color. Okay, then background display a tilde or a keep them small images over the entire screen. It mean by this is my web pages, and if I want to insert the picture as a background, so my picture is changed into the small pieces. Okay, and it is cover the whole web pages. पूरे web pages में वो image को insert कर देगा and it is cover it. So these types of small pictures are called till. Okay, then background color. If you want to give the background, if I want to give any images as a background, so we must be write background equal to, inside the double quotation, this is the address of our file. Okay, and BG color, for BG color we are using body, then BG color equal to, here we are given whatever name of the color we are given, our web pages change according to that. Okay, thank you dear students.